Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me Nambi. In today's video, I am going to make a very simple Tripuri chutney made out of tomato. It is called Mosdeng Serma and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The ingredients required for this dish are 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, 2 onions finely chopped, 4 garlic pods finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, salt to taste and 1/4 of a cup of water. First things first, let's heat some mustard oil in the pan. Looks like the oil is heated. Let's add in the finely chopped garlic and the onions. Before we do anything else, we need to mix our chili powder with 1/4 of cup of water. The chili powder that I'm using is home ground. That is why it's a little bit coarse. You can make use of any other chili powder that is available. Once the onions are slightly brown, you can add in the mixture of chili powder and water and allow it to cook till it thickens. Looks like it's thickened. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. Let's also add some salt. We always had chicken noises, but now we have people noises. Let the tomatoes cook till it's pulpy and allow it to thicken. Looks like the dish is ready. All you need to do now is garnish it with fresh coriander and there you go. Your Mosdeng Serma is ready. You can serve it with hot steamed rice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from Tripura and the rest of Northeast. Until then, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.